Thinking about making a job change can bring up a lot of questions, especially when it comes to keeping your finances stable during a transition. You might be wondering about your options for support if you decide to leave your current role. Generally speaking, if you voluntarily quit your job, you are usually not eligible to receive unemployment benefits. The core purpose of unemployment insurance is to provide temporary financial assistance to individuals who lose their jobs through no fault of their own, which means they were involuntarily separated from employment. The reason behind this rule is that the unemployment system is designed as a safety net for those who become unemployed due to economic downturns, layoffs, or other employer-initiated reasons, not for personal choices to leave a position. However, there are significant exceptions to this general rule, often referred to as quitting for good cause or just cause. Each state has its own specific definitions, but these exceptions typically involve situations where continuing employment would be unreasonable or impossible for the employee. Examples of what might constitute a good cause to quit include leaving due to an unsafe work environment, documented harassment or discrimination, a medical condition that prevents you from performing your job, or a spouse's job relocation that is a substantial distance away. To successfully claim unemployment benefits after quitting for good cause, you generally need to show that you took all reasonable steps to resolve the issue with your employer before resigning, and that your decision to leave was your only viable option. To navigate this, it is crucial to understand that the burden of proof is usually on you, the employee, to demonstrate that your quit meets your state's good cause criteria. This often means thoroughly documenting any issues, communications with your employer, and your attempts to resolve the situation. Every state has unique statutes and administrative interpretations, so what counts as good cause in one state might not in another. Even if you believe you have good cause, it is essential to formally apply for unemployment benefits after you quit, as this is the only way to get an official determination. If your initial claim is denied, you typically have the right to appeal that decision. During the appeal process, a hearing officer will review all the evidence from both you and your former employer, and they will decide if your reasons for quitting meet the good cause standard in your state. Being prepared with clear, documented evidence is key to a successful outcome. Understanding these nuances empowers you to make informed decisions about your employment and potential benefit eligibility. While quitting usually disqualifies you, knowing the specific exceptions and the importance of documentation can make all the difference if your circumstances genuinely warrant a claim.